Hello friends, welcome to another session of WordPress tutorial. So in this tutorial, I will elaborate you regarding several components of WordPress dashboard. So yesterday I had showed you we have already installed the WordPress on my domain, that is odpx.com. So the next step is uh, to demonstrate several components about WordPress dashboard. So here we are in the WordPress dashboard. The WordPress version is 6.1.1. You can see. So the components, let me go through one by one. So in the dashboard, there is an option for updates. Updates, then posts, media, pages, comments, appearance, plugins, users, tools, setting. That's all. So what the update will do? Now we will click on the updates. So if any plugin or theme or WordPress core is due for update, it will be shown here in the update section. So currently we have latest version of WordPress. All the plugins and themes are up to date. So there is no need to update anything. So this ends the update functionality. So now we will go to the posts. The posts have several subcomponents like all post, add new categories and tags. So what all post will show? All post will show every post you will do in WordPress website, it will show here. So next, add new. I will demonstrate you how to add new post in WordPress from the dashboard. So we will click on the add new button. So it is the add new post interface. So this is the post editor. We are saying this as Gutenberg editor. Since last few major updates, major WordPress version, this Gutenberg editor is coming by default. So earlier the editor was classic editor. So here how to add a new post. So we need to give a post title. So what will be the post title? Let's say here is the post title, and here we can see subtitle. So we will copy some dummy content, we'll post here. So this is the title, this is the uh, subtitle. This is not the subtitle, this is the description kind of thing. Now I need to choose the category. So here I can see the category. So you can see there is the three category present in the website: agriculture, technology. Suppose I will mark this as agriculture category. Now we will go to let's say if you want to add some new category, we can add here. Let's say business. We can add this category here. So category is added. Let's say we'll have to add some tags, and here is the tag. Let's say demo post. Demo post tag is created. So now we will add a feature image here. We will select feature image, select file. We will add in any demo image we can add. Let's say we have added this image. Okay. Set feature image. So like now we have given the title, we have entered the description, we have chosen the category, we have chosen the tag and feature image. Now it's time to publish. So now you can copy the link in the new tab. You can paste here. You can see this is the featured image we have added, and this is the post. So now we will go back to the dashboard. In all post, we can see here is our post. You can see it is marked as agriculture and business category. Tag it's marked as demo post. So now you got to know how to add a new post. Now we will move to the categories and tag section. So we will now go to the category section. So here we can find all the category we have already created. Let's say we will add a new category, yoga. It will be automatically, we will type the category name here. Just add new category. It will be displayed here. Then we will move to the tags. Tag here are some tags. Let's say we will add another tag. Let's say uh, classic. This is the tag name. We will click on the add new tag. The tag is created. So now next we will move to the media section. So the media is have two components, that is media library and add new media. In the media library, you can see all the media like all the images, audio, video, documents, spreadsheet, etc. You have used in the WordPress post that is storing here. So these three images, these images we have already in the our post, which I demonstrate you. So these images are here. So now let's say we have to add another media. We can add to here. Let's say pictures. So pic. I've added this pic. So this picture is added to the uh, media gallery. So next we will see the pages. So like post in page there is like in all pages we can see all the pages, a list of the pages we have, and add new is for adding new pages. So here I will say there is a difference between pages and posts. Pages are hierarchical, which means they can have child page nested beneath them, and posts are organized by date, categories, or tags. Like you can say, suppose you want to display some static content like about us, contact us. Those things will be done by using a page. And posts are basically dynamic. Let's say a post will you want to show some blog, show some news. So those in those cases you have to use posts. Like the post we have added. So we can create another page. Let's say page, and let us copy some content from here. Page, publish. So now the page is published. This is the page. Let's go back to the dashboard. So you can see in the all page section, this page we have added. So now we will move to the comment section. The comment section will show all the comments. Like suppose in any of your post, somebody has given a comment, it will show here. Here you can manage the comment like approve the comment, unapprove the comment, or delete or mark that as spam. So all kind of comment management activity you can go through here. So now we will go to the appearance section. The appearance section contains two things, that is themes and editor. In the theme section, you can add new theme, or you can see these are the themes are present in WordPress repository. So our current activated these themes is 2023. This theme is currently our activated theme. This is the theme we are using. Suppose we want to like change the theme, we can add here. We can browse several themes. Like these themes are, so you will ask from where these themes came from. Like these are the default theme, like present inside WordPress repository. Like there are 5,433 themes. You can see here is present on the WordPress repository. So like theme installation, I can take another session for theme installation. So for this session, this is the themes. So one option is themes and second is editor. So in the editor's theme editor, we can edit in any theme. No. So this is the theme editing screen. So now we will go back to the dashboard, and we will cover the plugins. So the plugins, similarly, the plugins have two options. One is install plugin, like these plugins are already installed. Second one is add new. So if you can add new plugin, we can add. You can see similarly, these are the default plugins, WordPress plugins, which is present in the WordPress repository. You can search any plugin by this name. Let's say I'm searching contact form. it will find the contact form plugin. So basically, a plugin is the thing. Suppose we want to add some functionality into WordPress website. So like in that case, we need to take help of any plugin. So like to enhance the functionality of any website, WordPress website, we need to add a plugin. So now the plugin is covered. Now we will go to the users. So in the users, we can see all users. Like all user will display the uh, all users of the WordPress website, and add new in the add new section. You can add a user. So let me demonstrate you how to add a new user. So let's say Chandra is my name. Chandra is the username I have to give. My mail ID is chandra@gmail.com. Let's say my name Chandra Sekhar. So let's say website is www.domain1.com. This is the website. So this is the password generated by default. This is the default password of the WordPress. So you can generate by clicking here. Any password you can generate. So any password you can generate. So like in WordPress user, there are several roles, like the full, like the administrator role, editor, author, contributor, subscriber. So let's say I will add administrator user. So add new. So now the new user is already created. So you can go to the all user screen. You can see this is the new user we have already now created. So profile. Profile will show the, like we have login currently demo testing user. So it will show the demo testing users profile. So now the users part is completed. Next we will go to the tool section. So like for the beginner user, it's like tools is very, so tool contains several options such as import, export, site health, export personal data, erase personal data, theme file editor, plugin file editor. So these are the thing. Let's say we will go to the import option. So these are few import, like suppose your current website is in you created using Blogger and you want to import that website, that Blogger's content here. So you can install this and perform the next step. So we will cover this kind of import export in some special videos. So for now it's the import. Now export. Suppose you want to export your website's content to some different website, you can export by using this option. And site health, you can check the website health by this option. Let's say now export personal data, you can export all your personal data from here. Erase personal data, suppose you want to delete everything, every post, every images and every pages you want to delete from WordPress, you can use this option. So now we will go to the theme file editor. You can edit the theme file from this option. You can see all the theme files are here. You can edit if you need. Then we will go back to the plugin file editor. You can edit any plugin file here by using this option. So now we will go back to the setting. Here is the setting option. So let me drag this to. So in the setting, there are general setting is there. You can give site title, site tagline, and you can change the administration mail ID, date and time, everything you can change from here. Then writing, in writing you can see like these are the options for writing, like mm, uh, suppose you want to post anything via email, you want to set up those things here. So these are the writing. Then reading section, you can set your home page here, static home page you can set here. Then search engine visibility is here. Then discussion. So in the discussion, you can like you can set a few functionalities like let's say comment moderation. You want to set like you want to allow an user and viewer to post comment on your post or not. You can do these things from the discussion. So next we will go to the media setting, you can say. So this is the media setting option. You can set default image size, thumbnail size, like thumbnail image size, medium size, large size, everything you can see here. So next is Permalink. So this is one important part. Like currently, let's say this is our website. So what the permalink is doing, so this is a, let's say this is a post. You can see in the URL, it is this is our website. Then this is showing today's date. Then the post name. So this is like if you want to change this, you can do here. You can do here by post name. Let's say, save it. So it will be changed here. This is the functionalities of permalink. Let's say another option is privacy. By using privacy option, you can generate privacy policy page here. So this is overall functionalities of WordPress dashboard. So why I told this is like this is the basic WordPress websites dashboard. Like suppose this is you will use another few plugins or you will use few themes. So in that case, there will these components will be there. But in addition to this component, there may be several other components. So we will like we will go in further videos. I will explain those things and I will add new theme, a new temp, new plugin, everything I will add and show you. So for today, thank you.